We use the product just like you do. So whenever we find something we want, we add it. So whenever you're um, in your list here, if you sort by a given column, let's just say I sort by the address. Okay, so I can sorting versus filtering. Sorting just means put in an alphabetical order, uh, whatever, and by doing that, I'm saying put it in this order. There are some that are duplicates. So I've got a husband and wife, whatever, husband and wife. In the in We've got this check duplicates, which would check whatever column is currently being sorted. Now you can show only unique addresses, which is would do the exact same thing I'm about to show you. I'm just doing it because I know these are duplicates. If you have other duplicates, it's fine. We have this remove duplicates. Now it doesn't physically remove it from the database. It just removes them from the list. So we've added this so that you can keep all of your names in the database. It just eliminates the extras that you've got it filtered by. So now I went from 50 down to 25. So no big deal. If I wanted to mail merge, do labels or whatever, if they had duplicates, the second, third, fourth one would be eliminated. It would just use the first one in the list. This is really pertinent more for exports and things that you're doing for processing of stuff. Technically, if you printed labels, so if we go to process selected and we say that we want to print labels from this, we had an option here for skip duplicate addresses anyway. So the address doesn't really matter. But if you've got other things that are duplicates, it would eliminate the duplicates there. Emails might be a case where you've got maybe a husband, wife, and you want to see how many unique emails you've got. You can certainly do that. Other options, but that's in there. Okay, so the other thing that we did, what I was showing you here is like single column sorting. So if I wanted to sort by the city, or if I wanted to sort by the last name, I can do that. Well, sorting by last name is great, but then I also have this other column here called first name, and wouldn't it be nice to be able to sort by that one as well? Well, what you can do, I've added a new menu choice here for sort by columns, where you can configure a sort. So I'm going to sort by last name, but I also want to sort by the first name, ascending or descending or whatever. So whenever I do that, then it shows you this little circle here that says, okay, it's sorted by this one first and then by this one. So if you've got lots of Smiths or lots of Lopez's in there, then it would sort it by Lopez first and then each first name second, so it puts them in the correct order. So by doing that, we now have not only can we lay out our columns, but we can lay out our how those columns are sorted.